In this video tutorial we are going to generate the designs here. So I will take that shape, find that elliptical shape here, and then I will take another elliptical shape on that side, change the pattern here. So let's find another design, explore the features here. I will take it. So let's edit another design, explore the features, keep on editing, generate the new shapes, find these shapes here, explore the features again. I will take it, make some further shapes, keep using that shapes here, add some further designs, shapes as well. I will take that design. So there